Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rushna Shahzad, and I'm one of the students from Future Learning Center. Today, I'm here to share my experience and the journey of OET with the FLC. So, I recently cleared my OET with the very good grades by the grace of God, and I'm much thankful and pleased that God favored me in this scenario. And because of His grace and the favor, I cleared my exam. And after that, I would like to thank this institute, Future Learning Center, all the faculty members, especially to Sir Charlie, Sir Kes, Mohsen Saab, and everybody who is working here and everybody who is like supporting and serving the students. Initially, things were difficult for me when I started preparing for this exam. But by the time when I got to know about this institute, and by the time when I enrolled with this institute, I got the greater understanding and the insight of this exam with the help and with the great guidelines of the Sir Charlie. So I have like a very good experience with this institute, and Sir Charlie is a very great teacher, and he have guided me in like so many things. And I worked with him on like many different things as per his guidelines. I worked on paraphrasing, I worked on like time management and how to strategize things, and I worked on how to crack the strategies, and I worked on the synonyms and my improving my vocabulary. So it's just because of the good direction and the leadings of Sir Charlie, and I'm much thankful to him because he's somebody who is putting his utmost efforts for the students, and he's investing himself as a teacher for like every individual student in with like great devotion and the compassion. So if you are planning to prepare for OET, and if you are planning to take your test, I would highly recommend you all to join this institute because they have like a very good schedules of mock tests. They have like a very good and the very humble and the kind and the very supporting faculty here. And above all, their schedules are very flexible and adaptable. And so I would highly recommend you all to come and crack your OET with Future Learning Center. Thank you so much.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna